Okay, so I'm the first contestant, known as TTS Deluxe. You might have saw me somewhere on YouTube.
Check him out in the description.
Check me out in the description. And also, give me a cheeky subscribe, innit? And if I score this year, Nick has to eat 10 burgers. So, second attempt for my team. We're only on half point because Connor's a little schmuck. Oh, I whistled. But yeah, let's get into the second shot for team one. 1, 2, 3, fucking hell, 4, 6, 7, 8, no, 10. Got bloody mud all over me.
Spins. 1, 2, 3.
Kev, do you see that? That's my teammate right there. Look at the way he's spinning. Look at the way he's spinning. Look at his bumhole. He's about to slip. He's about to slip. Oh, oh. Ah, he looks high.
Do it, innit? I mean, do it, innit? Like, I won't do it anyway. I'll walk out. I'll get my guys to pick me up as well. You know, in that Ford Fiesta. Come on. You know, I don't care about your detention. Bad man thing, I'm going. You're good. Carry on writing. Carry on writing. Hey! Carry on writing. Don't get distracted. Why is there nothing on your sheet? What's your name? You're that new year 7, innit? And you think you can get away with that when, like, your second day of school and getting a detention already? And not even being bothered to write anything on your paper when you are told to do that? Are you not following the school expectations and rules?
Well, you know I'm going to lose. I've got Cam on my team.
If it goes to a draw, by the way, we're doing it again.
Can't even spin around the ball 7 times. How's he supposed to kick it?
First goal. Studs, bitch. And it's coming! More of a cracker than your stepdad. Joking. Balls. 5, 6, 7. This is cheating. 8. He's a hacker.
9.
10. He's moved the ball. Yes! Nick at him! My ball!
Imagine this guy got caught cheating.
I did it! I got jumped on his block!
That was actually a 6 jump one.
Unlucky.
Let's hope it goes better than Cam.
Anything will go better than Cam's.
1.
Look at him. He's breathing
2.
in the background. Fat shit.
3.
This is how you stay on the floor, you know.
4. He's got studs. 5.
Sex.
6.
Heaven.
7. 8. 9.
Look at Nick them casually warming up in the goal.
Yeah!
Fuck you, that's fixed. That is fixed. That's fixed.